open your settings, and from settings scroll all the way down until you find sound and haptics. Click this, and from here scroll all the way down until you found from built-in speakers volume limit. Click this, and as you can see, my maximum limit volume is 50%. Drag the bar to the right until the end, and after that, as you can see, the limit maximum volume is on. Turn this off, go back, and also if you are using headphones, inside sound and haptics, scroll all the way down until you found headphone safety. Click this, and as you can see, decibels are limit to 90. Scroll the bar until the end and turn off reduce loud audio. Also turn off reduce loud sounds, and you're done. Now when you are listening music or you're watching a video, your iPhone speakers will be much more louder. So this video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future contents. Until the next one, have a nice day. Bye bye.